Hey everybody, it's Greenwood again with another tutorial video. And in the last video with distributive property, we talked about monomials, which means one term multiplied by binomials and trinomials. Okay, so monomial means one term, binomial means two, and trinomial means three. Okay, so one, two, or three terms. So today we're going to talk about binomials multiplied by binomials, and then I'll have you try one, and then maybe we'll look at a binomial multiplied by a trinomial. So I'm going to slide up here and take a look. So here's what we're looking at. We're going to see what is x plus 3 quantity times the quantity 2x plus 4. So this times this. And so again, using this box method, it works the exact same way. We just have more to do. So x times 2x is 2xx, which I'm going to shorthand as 2x squared. So this yellow rectangle is x times 4. So that's going to be plus 4x because we got the plus sign there. And then now for this row, we know these are 3 where these were x. So we have 3 multiplied by 2x. So 3 times 2 is 6, so 6x. And then this one is 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. Okay. So now to answer this question, what is x plus 3 times 2x plus 4, both those quantities? Well, it's all of this added together. Okay. And this is also a positive because positive times positive. So here's what we're looking at. We have 2x squared plus 4x plus another 6x plus 12. Okay, and so now with this one, we have just a little bit more to do because we do have some like terms we can combine. Okay, so if you remember, like terms have the same variable and the same exponent. Okay, so for example, this is x to the second power, this is x to the first power, this is x to the first power. So anything that has the same exponent, which would be this and this, I can combine those by adding the coefficient. Okay, and remember that the coefficient, I think we talked about this in an earlier video, is just a fancy word for the number in front of a variable. All right, so I've got some coefficients in this expression. I've got a 2, this is a coefficient of 4, this is a 6, and this is just a constant because it's just a number without a variable. Okay, so let's combine our like terms. So 2x squared, I can't combine that with any of the other x's because there's no other x squareds. 4x plus 6x, well, 4 plus 6 is 10. And a common mistake I see people make here is to put x squared, but x squared means x times x, and I'm adding these x's together, these groups. So it's still just x to the first power. And then plus 12. Okay. So there is my solution, 2x squared plus 10x plus 12. And that was a combination of these 4 rectangle areas. All right, so I'm going to give you one to try. And you can pause the video and try it. And then when you come back, I'll have the answer for you. So here's your problem and have you try. Let's go with x plus 2. And let's actually make that look like a 2 and not whatever that was. That's better. X plus 2, I'm going to slide up just a little bit here so you can see it better. And then let's go with, whoa, that just freaked out on me for a second. Let's go with something like, how about 3x plus 5, okay? So pause the video, try this one on your own, and then when you come back, you can see the solution. Okay, welcome back, and hopefully that went well for you. So we're going to multiply x times 3x to get 3xx, which I'm going to shorthand as 3x squared. X times 5 is plus 5x since they're both positive. And then here we've got 2 times 3x, so that's just plus 6x. Then here 2 times 5 is 10. Okay, and remember that's positive because the 2 and the 3 are both positive. So now I've got 3x squared plus the yellow square rectangle is 5x, plus the blue rectangle is 6x, plus the orange rectangle is 10. So remember, we're asking what is x plus 2 times the group 3x plus 5. Okay, so let's remind ourselves what the question we're trying to answer is. What is x plus 2 times the parentheses 3x plus 5? That's what we want to know. Okay. So now to finish that up, we're going to combine any like terms, which we see we've got 5x and a 6x are both x to the first power. So I can combine those. So we have a 3x squared. There's no other x squared terms. 5 plus 6 is 11x. And we have one constant term. Remember, that's just a number without a variable on it. And that's 10. So my solution there, you can see I drew through it as 3x squared plus 11x plus 10. And so you get a chance to see me do one, try one, and I hope that made sense for you. In the next video, we'll talk about a binomial times a trinomial. We'll see you next time. Bye.